What does day trading and Christmas have in common? Red and green P&Ls. What's going on, everyone? Today we're gonna be reading some of the bad jokes I received in my last video, and they were pretty hilarious. So just to recap, yesterday I had a red day, mostly from Fubo. I lost both on the long side and the short side, and I just had a bunch of other trades that just didn't work out. While the losses were relatively smaller on all of them, they did add up. So, about $5,000 loss yesterday. But today I am ending the day pretty green, so let's go over the trades really quickly. MRNA, I was long. It was one of my bigger winners today. I was long off the gap down. You can see, we touched the 115 daily support level. I was loaning around the 116 starter, and I started adding into it once, we broke out above VWAP, reclaimed, and I re-added around 118. This is what I call buy high and sell higher, right? I want to wait for a trend to confirm, and I actually sold into it, re-added back, added some more, and then sold into the 122s and 124s, and I stopped out on the final small position. I tried it again here, basically stopped out at the bottom, and the stock just took off to 127 red to green, and now 130s without me. But I took the meat of the move, and a lot of times after a red day, like I did yesterday, doesn't matter whether the loss is small or big, or $5,000, $7,000, $10,000. The next day, I like to just take the meat of the move. I actually sized down today, so I just want to focus on building my confidence back. And today I did. I feel like I executed my trades pretty well. So MRNA was the main trade on the long side. The other one is a small cap VVPR on the short side. I was short, started pre-market. I added into the breakdown here 1019s. I covered out most of it around the 970s, and the rest of it here I did go back and reshort some, and then but I didn't want to outstay again. Same rule that I always try to follow after red day. Just take the meat of the move, keep it simple. So as you can see, MRNA on the long side and VVPR on the short side were my main plays from today, and actually sized down today, and I was actually surprised that I made back my losses from yesterday, even from sizing down. This just goes to show you that it's okay to take losses in trading, and it does happen, and I would say it's a pretty important part of trading, taking on risks that you think it's suitable for yourself as long as it's managed. And I had a couple other smaller trades that just didn't really work out. BLNK on the long side, and I had a small short on, same as FRSX, but this one just kept on reclaiming, so I didn't just left it alone instead of trying to add on the way up. Anyways, this is just kind of how I like to recover after a red day, by focusing on the best plays, and not focusing on making back losses, but focusing on execution and trading the plan, as well as risk management. So Monday was green, yesterday was red, today is green. So this is a real Christmas right here. So there were a lot of really good jokes and comments in the last video. I just want to go over some today. This one's pretty good. Cup of commerce. When you get more out of a humble trader video than a $600 check from the government. So that's pretty good. We have something similar in Canada too, but I don't qualify for that. This one. I've been watching my HTZ stock go down. This really hurts. This is pretty good. Okay. Ben Wei Sia is saying, why does humble trader low-key dislike family reunions? Because relatives would ask her not about trading or stocks, but where's your boyfriend? Okay, that's a pretty good one. It's kind of funny. Okay, and also, I don't know if you guys saw this, but I'm wearing this ugly sweater here. I think this is like Drake's face on here. I'm wearing this shirt today because it's my favorite ugly Christmas sweater. Okay, maybe it's not really a sweater, but it is ugly. Okay, next one. That hat would look absolutely stunning on me while I hold my bags. That's pretty good. I'm gonna hit you back with a bad joke too. Who's the biggest bag holder ever? Santa Claus. Okay, that was pretty bad. Okay, this one's pretty good too. I want a hat to protect myself from raining Lambos. Yeah, you do need one of these Humble Trader hat, which is also the price of the giveaway in case you're not aware of. This is the hat everyone's talking about. Next one, Christmas. Missing a T at the end there. I want to win. I've been losing my whole life. That guy is saying, Dad, is that you? These are pretty good. Now, the ultimate best bad joke from last video is this one from Mike. What is the float on the HT market cap? Okay, this is the best one from the video, I think. And the float on this market cap is only about 100 shares float. So I also want to read this very, very positive comment from the last video. Everyone, if you get a chance, please take a look at this comment, take a screenshot of it, and save it for yourself. This comment is from Ish Chow. Hi everyone, I guess if we met in person, one of the first things I'd say is how much respect I have for you as fellow traders. You're on a hard path. When are you carved out for yourself? A path of self-improvement where you have to constantly face your fears, your weaknesses, and work on to improve yourself. You should be proud to have stepped in the arena, to be willing to face the loss in order to be better. If you're anything like me, that your most amazing wins and most devastating losses are not you. Your judge of character will be how you are in the days following both. You need to be the same person, the person who is trying to be better. This road may be a long and emotional one. Your friends and family may not understand what your heart's telling you. Be kind, as yourself will never be able to fully understand another person's life. Brave on in your story. Don't fall for self-destruction. Don't entertain chaos for a quick release. You have no idea how deep that abyss goes, how quickly our lives can be destroyed. Remember everything you're working for. Don't give it all up in a few seconds through self-hate. Build long-term confidence in yourself. If you're diligent, hardworking, and continuously learning, you'll be able to survive for long enough, and you will eventually get there. Take care, everyone. You got this. Oh my god, I read this comment late last night, and I almost cried last night. But not today. But seriously, somebody give this person a book deal. So encouraging, so positive, and it's everything that I want this channel and this community to be about. Like this person said, day trading is difficult. It's hard work. So that's the reason we need to be lifting each other up and helping each other, because we're all going through the same highs and lows. So thank you so much, Ish Chow, for leaving me that thoughtful comment. I pinned it in the last video, so if you guys want to go read this for yourself and save it, screenshot this. This is my favorite comment so far this week. The giveaway is still going on. You can either leave a really bad joke or leave something extremely positive like Ish Chow. If you guys are going through a hard week or a hard year, just go through the comment section in this video and the last one. There's so much positivity. Everyone's so encouraging. There's so much holiday cheers. I'm just so glad to be here. I'm so glad that I'm part of you guys' journey. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching and happy holidays. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.